gosh, I just missed this snake. It was about 2.5 feet long.
Black racer.
It was a black racer, Kurt says, here at the pool. He was back here behind this tree, but he just escaped past this little red fire clearing thing. Shoot! Look at this big lizard on the chair by the pool. He's pretty big. Hello, lizard. He's just hanging out waiting for some bugs, I think. Ooh, did you see that? It's got like an orange neck. Oh, look at that butterfly. Gosh, she's pretty.
Look, Luke.
Look at him. Isn't he beautiful? He is beautiful. All right, everyone. Today I'd like to interview Kurt Roberts.
Why?
What are you doing for us
I just want
today?
to tell the truth about all of this.
What are you doing for us today, Kurt?
Well, I've watched about 6 videos of people doing exactly what I'm doing now, which is I'm going to make some butter in a mason jar, and you use heavy whipping cream,
Yes.
and this is a clean, sterilized jar.
That's important.
That's the important part.
Yeah.
So what you do is you take and you fill this about halfway up. They say, or use half of one of these. So
Okay.
that'd be about a pint. This is a quart.
Okay.
Okay, so that's good. We'll put that back in the fridge. If I goof this up, we can try again tomorrow. Okay. Okay. So we got it's half full. We put the lid on it. Just hand tie it, and then you have to shake for a long time.
Okay.
It'll go through. It'll turn into whipped cream,
Yes.
and then it'll turn into butter. But it takes a while, and you'll take note of the consistency of it now. It's real milky, but anyway. So you have to shake. I'm gonna do this for about, I don't know,
Well, I'm not going to film the whole
10 or
shaking
15
process.
minutes. I don't know how long it takes.
We're going to pause for a second, folks, while he continues to
you'll
shake.
catch us when we turn.
Okay, this is an update. He's still shaking. He's going to have the arms of Popeye here.
You know what?
Keep shaking, Kurt.
You know what? Women don't need to buy them shaker weights to keep their arms toned. You just get one of these. Instead.
Yeah, and try and make butter.
You get, I guess, what would be about a pound of butter when it's over.
Okay.
We'll see how much.
We'll check in with you again in a minute.
Yeah, we're not quite there. Oh, this is about halfway. It'll start getting to where you can't hear it go glug glug anymore. And this is when you've got it. It looks like this. It's like whipped cream.
Yeah, I can see.
It is actually whipped cream, but
Okay, keep
now
going.
we have to shake probably just as long, if not longer, to get it to the next phase of actual butter.
Okay. All right, Kurt, what are we doing now?
Okay, so I've shaken this.
Yeah.
We went from really, really thick to where it almost felt like you couldn't even, after it turned whipped cream.
Yeah.
Like you had to just keep shaking it and keep shaking it. Gradually, all of a sudden, it'll get watery.
Okay.
So if you look, I don't know if you can see in there.
I can, yeah.
Yeah, so there's a big chunk of butter in there.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to separate the buttermilk. So I'm going to use this. Maybe
Alright.
make some buttermilk pancakes tomorrow.
Yeah.
And then top it with my own butter.
Yeah.
Right. And then you see this chunk of butter that's in here.
Okay, dump it out so we
I'm
can
going to
see
take it out of here.
Okay.
There it is. Big old chunk of butter.
And then you got to put it
you
in
have
cold
to,
water.
You have to wash it. You have to wash all the buttermilk out of here. So,
Yeah.
you know, it's really good if you can get really cold water. This isn't the coldest, but
Yeah.
what you do, okay, you need to back up on that.
Okay.
So when you see this all get milky looking, then you have to dump it and add more cold water. So if you, hopefully your water is as cold as it can be, because right now this almost feels like it's melting. Pretty, but yeah, you just keep it in there, keep it, and when it looks like the water's clean, then your butter is ready.
I'll be done.
So
It's pretty cool.
yeah, okay. So next phase, I'll show you. I'm going to add some salt to it. When you're
Okay, what's the next thing? You got
Okay.
it lined off on a plate.
yeah, I'm going to add some salt right now.
Okay.
I'm going to I'm just going to guess, right? Because I don't know.
Yeah. like a half a teaspoon or something, and then
That's a
mix
pretty good
it
bit
in.
of salt.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to kind of mix it up on this plate.
Right.
I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and let it, because it's so,
Yeah. Moisty.
it's warm.
Yeah.
And just mix the salt in, and then I'll form it after it sets up a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then we'll do a demonstration where I'll try it on a cracker or something.
Okay.
Piece of bread.
Thank you. Okay, Kurt, what's going on now?
Oh, okay. So I put this in an ice bath because it was just... So now I've kind of rinsed it and kneaded it in the water to get all the buttermilk out. Now I'm going to put it in here.
Okay.
So, and it's got salt in it. So here we are. It's basically done.
Cool.
So this is an experiment. We'll see
How it is in the morning.
in just a second. No, we're gonna put it. We're gonna try it right now.
Okay.
In just a second.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, I'm trying Kurt's.
I've got an impartial judge who's going to try this butter
Oh,
on some
it's spreading
on a
nicely.
fresh hoagie,
Ooh.
and she is okay. Yeah. What? Does it taste like butter?
It's delicious.
I made butter. We made butter, actually. Okay.
It's delicious.
All right, give it a try. It's not so hard. Bye.